Hello everyone and welcome back to DMG. Today I'm going to be upgrading this machine because I was finally able to track down a PCIe 1X video card. So this card is the FirePro 2270X1 as the box says. It's not the world's most powerful card. It does outperform the GeForce 210 by about 33%. However, it's literally like 6 times more powerful than the integrated graphics in this system. It fits in a 1X slot and it can drive 2 monitors. I love this stock image. Like, this guy's face. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna get this box open. I bought it used in box. I would rather not tear the box, but I might have to just get it out. But yeah, the reason I wanted to upgrade is I do video playback on here, and it can barely handle 1080p video playback from local files, which is, you know, not ideal. So I wanted something with a stronger video decoder. Right, oh. So here we've got our little card. 2, looks like DVI to VGA adapters. That's good. A DMS59 to DVI. Drivers. Low profile bracket. It's a cute little card. So it looks like we just peel this off, yeah. 2 free small ones. Yeah, cute little card. Alright, so now it's time to open this up. Let's see. Now I just gotta remember how this comes out. Do you like... Oh, you just yank. Okay. There we go. Alright, yeah, so this little add to card, which basically just adds another display output from the integrated graphics, replacing it with this, which should be able to just fit in the 1X slot. If you haven't seen the original video from this computer, I do recommend you watch it because it's me struggling to take it apart is pretty funny, actually. Yeah, okay, perfect. And then that just locks in once it's in the case. Okay. The issue is now getting it back in. There are aspects of this computer I like, but then there are, you know, everything else. Alright, there we go. That's so cute. It's tiny. And also, it's good that the heatsink face is up, because that's going to get more heatsinking to the huge metal case. And then it snaps back together in a pretty weird way. Alright, so what I need to do now is configure the cables, because I have one DVI monitor and one VGA monitor. So I'm glad it came with those little adapters. You always want to make sure you put DMS59 in very carefully because those tiny pins are very easy to bend. I am speaking from experience. I mean, you can take a pair of tweezers and fix it, but it's better to not break it than have to fix it in the first place. Here we go. Why does it only have like a quarter of the pins of DVI in the adapter? That's fine. Okay, let's see. The VGA monitor has a shorter cable, so we'll just screw it in down there. These cables are like strangely thick as well. Okay, I'll put it on my desk, get it hooked up.
So, slightly unexpected turn of events. I actually ended up replacing that little Think Center from earlier with a different computer that is on my desk now. Now, what that computer did, it basically just played back downloaded YouTube videos from local files. However, it didn't have two SATA ports, so I had to stick with the one internal drive for boot and files, which I prefer to have those separate. But then the most important, it didn't work with that GPU. It just gave me postcode after postcode, wouldn't let me boot with it in. So I swapped it out for this one, the Pentium 4 system that I covered a while ago on the channel. No one bought it. Surprising. Even for like $25, no one bought it. So it's mine now, and also, an unexpected turn of events, somehow it runs faster than the Core 2 Duo. So, I'm gonna switch over my monitor inputs really quickly, and it's on my main PC right now. I'm gonna switch it over to here. I'll demonstrate this card. Okay, so I have it on VGA on that monitor. And I have it over DVI on this one. And instead of Ubuntu, I am using Windows 7 because I had a 32-bit copy laying around, because this is a 32-bit CPU. I literally have my password set as space. Because, you know, why not? Alright, here we go. So, as you can see, it's driving two monitors. I can drag things between them. I've got my videos drive here. I do want to cover some other changes that I made to this system. Oh my god, I forgot, that's the wrong keyboard. This is the keyboard that's hooked up to this PC. So, originally this had 512 megabytes of... No. Was it? No, it had 1 gigabyte. Yes, it had 4 sticks of 256 megabyte memory, which I upgraded to 2 1 gigabyte sticks, and then 2 256 megabyte sticks, because I didn't have 2 more 1 gig sticks and just wanted, you know, I don't really care about speed. It worked, and I needed more capacity. Because after all, this machine is really only for light web browsing, and mostly just, you know, watching videos. Let's see. I guess you're gonna get a taste of what videos I like to watch. Sound is off on purpose. So yeah, video playback is very fluid. Window moving is very fluid. And, previously I had the GeForce 210 in here. It had some big heat issues. So, it would hit mid-90s when just playing back a video, while even when you're playing a game on this one for over an hour, which yes, I have done, it stays under 70 degrees. While, you know, by comparison, a couple times the GeForce 210 actually hit over 100, and I shut down the computer so that it wouldn't, like, melt itself. So I'm very satisfied with the upgrade that I made. I want to demonstrate some of its gaming prowess really quickly. I'm going to open Task Manager again. The CPU is actually more of a bottleneck than the GPU is. I'll do single player, yeah. And the slow hard drive doesn't really help it either. Sure, Stadium, 9 AI carts. This is one of my favorite games of all time, Super Tux Kart. I'm gonna stick this keyboard down here. And then this is on the medium graphics preset. You can see that at 1920 by 1080, we're getting pretty good frame rates. But when there's particle effects, that sort of thing, doesn't look too good. And a lot of the tearing you see is actually just because I have VSync disabled, because the input lag, it's relatively noticeable. Plus, it puts a bit more load on the CPU actually, in my case, because this isn't a PC you would normally want to play games on. You can see our CPU usage has leveled out to, mid-70s. I might actually be able to turn up our settings a bit. Yeah, it can't have shadows or high image quality. And that's mainly the CPU's fault. It probably, it might have something to do with the lack of SSE 4 instruction set. And, the lack of basically everything else as well. Sure, go for it. We should see less tearing now that VSync is on. Okay, that looks a good bit smoother. And there's not too much noticeable input lag, actually, so, whoop, I meant to do that. So I'm glad that I turned VSync on. But yeah, in general, I pretty much just wanted to do a little unboxing video of this GPU, because, that's always fun. You ruined my drift? But yeah, I just wanted to do a little unboxing video because it seemed fun. And I also wanted to see if it would be a viable option for just replacing integrated graphics in an old PC like this one, which it is. So yeah, thank you everyone for watching. That's it for the FirePro 2270 review, and see you next time.